Hey finders, and welcome back to Fortune Finds. Today we went a little bold, I'm not gonna lie. I am playing with some new makeup that I received in the mail, and today I just wanted to go from drab to fab, which I think I really achieved. For the majority of this video, I'm in my pajamas just because I was like, you know what? I'm not even in the mood to film. I'm not even in the mood to do my makeup, but I just wanted to pull myself out of a funk. I feel like I look like a bold ass, boss ass in this look, and I am loving this lip. I am not like a dark lip kind of gal. And you know why I'm not? Because I know this is gonna sound really weird and really stupid and weird for me because normally I don't really care what people say, but I worked at Michael Kors after graduating from college, and at the time I was wearing crazy ass lips. I would wear hot pink lipstick, which I still wear sometimes. Hot pink, really, really dark brown, like lips like this, like dark brownish red. And one of the guys that I worked with said to me that ladies look best and ladies look youthful in a lighter lip, a glossy lip, and that is what I should wear. And at the time I was kind of like taken aback, and I was like, who are you to tell me what kind of lip I should wear? But I mean, it kind of made me lean towards lighter nudes, and that's kind of been my vibe ever since then. It's definitely something that stuck with me for a really long time, and I don't know why, but it really has. So I'm excited for this bold ass lip, and if you're excited as I am, then make sure you're subscribed and click the bell before you leave, and let's just hop right into it. First and foremost, I took care of these lips. I applied the Hanalei lip treatment in clear, and then I went ahead and just threw on some of the Weleda Skin Food, the original all short rich cream, rubbed that between my fingers, and then applied that to my face to just give my face a little bit of a glow that it is definitely lacking. And then I just went ahead and filled in my brows using the Joah Precision Brow Pencil in Brunette. I'm just gonna prime my lids as I usually do. What's the matter? What's the matter? He is in a mood today as well. I think the weather is getting to everyone in this household. Are you okay? None of my concealers are agreeing with my skin as of lately. I don't know what's going on. So I don't even know like what concealer to grab for. That's how bad it's like been. I guess I'm gonna use my Tarte Tape Shape, although this has been kind of crusty on me. So I'm just gonna tap this onto my lid. This is the Shaina B Miami eyeshadow palette. The shades have really cute names. All Over Nude, Port Au Princess, Everglade, Heat, Biscayne, Winwood, South Peach, and Cafecito. So I'm gonna go into the shade Biscayne, and I'm gonna take that on this fluffy brush right here. These are very creamy shadows. And this is kind of just like a neutral shade. That's really pretty. It kind of matches my skin. But we're using this to set the concealer and just help the shadows glide on a little bit smoother. And you don't want to pack on too much. I'm doing a really light dusting, and I'm just going over it to make sure that it's not too chunky. Luxie 209 large shader brush. I'm going to use this to throw some color into the crease. So I'm going to pick up the shade Winwood, and I'm just gonna coat like the very top of the brush like that, and then I'm gonna put this into the crease. And I'm gonna kind of just stamp it, pushing and stamping and wiggling into my actual crease. So you're gonna feel where your brow bone is and just wiggle it back and forth. And I'm kind of just like, you know, doing the whole cat flick thing that I always do. I don't even know if you can see that on the camera, but it's really pretty in real life. It kind of matches the natural shadows in my face. I'm going to go in with the same brush, and I'm going to hop into South Peach. And I'm kind of bringing it higher than my crease because look, my crease is here, and then I open my eyes and it's gone. So I'm going to bring this a little bit higher, ever so slightly higher. But then we're going to go in with a fluffy brush and just blends it up even a little bit higher. So if you don't have hooded eyes, just put it in your crease. If you have hooded eyes, I would put it a little bit above just so your crease doesn't swallow that shade when you open your eye. Look at how pretty that orange is. Wow, that is so freaking pretty. I love me a matte orange. Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH36. And I'm just gonna blend this. I don't really know if I want that orange to be so orange. It is a really pretty color, but I kind of have like more natural vibes in my mind today. That's really pretty. These are really pretty mattes, and they blend really nicely. I think I want to take heat. I'm going to take that with my finger. Pack this all over the lid. Oh my God, I really like this palette, guys. And I'm just keeping that to the lid. All Over Nude, which is the lightest shimmer. And I'm going to put that on the brow bone. Wow. This is so pretty. I feel like it's summer. I'm happy. Ooh, yes. And I love how like compact this is. Anyone else notice that like eyeshadow palettes are kind of just like the size of iPads now? They're huge. And like, where are we going with these huge palettes that aren't being made? This is so cute. This is perfect for like travel. Throw it in your bag and go. Oh my God, so cute. I'm just going to gently kind of like blend it together. So I'm pulling the shade up towards that brow bone just like that. And I kind of just want it to be like a really glittery look. Angled brush like this. I'm going to hop into Cafecito. I think I'm going to wing it out a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Continuous Setting Spray by Morphe. I'm just going to dampen that angled brush. I'm going to hop into Cafecito again and just see if that can pack a little bit more pigment for us. Yeah, just a little bit, and that's perfect. Back into the lashes a little bit. I'm keeping this really, really tight to the lash line. And I think I'm going to bring it in just a little bit. You can hardly see this. It's a really, really faint wing. I don't have a new foundation, but I'm just going to wear one that I love. This is the Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation, and I'm in the shade Vienna. I don't think I want to wear a ton of makeup today. I kind of want this to be dewy. Tarte Tape Shape. I'm in the shade Light Neutral. And I'm going to add this wherever I need a little bit more coverage. And I'm going to pat this out so gently. The gentler you pat it, the more pigment it's going to pack. Just getting rid of that redness. The skin looks really good. It looks like my skin, you know? But just a little bit better. Dose of Colors Liquid Lipstick in Brick. Let's try this. I feel like this will go well with this lip color. This is the Kylie Lip Liner in True Brown K. I hate that this liner like sits in this little pen. Can you see? I can rip this whole thing out. So I'm not suggesting that you go out and buy this lip liner. I think that these are highly annoying. I do want to use this color, so I don't know. But I'm in a mood today, okay? I'm just gonna line my lips with this. I have not worn a dark lip in a minute because I feel like the last time I wore a dark lip, it didn't go well for me. Let's try this Brick shade. I'm a little scared. Okay, I don't hate this. I feel like it's moody, which feel like I've been moody this entire quarantine. So definitely goes with my everyday vibe, but I do want to clean this up. I feel like it kind of got a little messy. Take a little bit of my concealer. I'm going to put it on the back of my hand. I'm going to take a flat little brush like this. This is a Morphe Jaclyn Hill GH43. I'm going to pick up that concealer. And then I'm wiping off any of the lipstick that I pick up on another section of my hand. Now I'm going back in with that concealer and I'm kind of just dragging it down. And carving anything that I might see along the way. What do we think about this lip? Let me know down below in the comment section. This is not a very me lip, but it's very like Vampirella. Now that we have the lip, I feel like that makes all of the difference. Let's move on to the rest of the face. Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Contouring Wand. And that's all that I'm going to do. Foundation brush. I'm just going to blend this. I'm going to start with the cheek, and you always want to blend your contour up. And I'm blending it really gently, really lightly, because I don't want to move the foundation that's underneath this contour. It's all about layering, and each layer that you apply to your face, you want to use a little bit less pressure. Pressure, amount of product placement, and symmetry have been really on my makeup radar lately. Those have all been things that I've been trying to focus on. And I'm going to blend it underneath the jaw. Honest Beauty Cream Cheek Blush in Peony Pink. I'm going to pick that up with my sponge. And I'm going to dot it over the nose. Hop into Cafecito again with that angled brush. And I'm just going to connect them. And I'm putting it underneath the waterline. I'm not putting it in the waterline. Don't put shadow in your waterline because one, it's just going to aggravate the crap out of your eye, and shadow will not stay in your waterline. And I'm not going to bring it all the way in, but I'm going to bring it right before that inner corner starts. And then I definitely want to blend this out. So to blend this out, I think I'm going to hop into the shade Winwood just because it's such like a blendy friendly shade. Oh my God. Let's trademark that. Brendly friendly. Blendy? Oh my God, what am I saying? It's a blendy friendly shade. Blendy friendly. I hope I remember that. I'm going to take it on this tapered blending brush. This is a Morphe M575. And I'm just going to blend this out a little bit. I got this new bronzer. This is from Space Case Cosmetics, and this is the Fakecation on Nars. And I feel like this is a shade that I would like. This is a shade that I would gravitate towards normally. So I'm going to take this. I'm going to grab an angled brush like this, a fluffy angled brush. I feel like this color is going to be pretty, but I'm also a little scared. And honestly, when I'm kind of afraid of a bronzer, I like to start at my hairline because it's easier to blend that out. Think about it. If I start here, then that's going to mess up my contour, my blush, and the foundation underneath it. There's just a lot of layers over here, whereas up here, there's not a lot of layers. It kind of has like a sheen to it, but it's not shiny. That sheen kind of just like blurs the skin. Oh my, Space Case. Oh my God, this is so freaking pretty. So I'm essentially just going over where I contoured my face. Fluffier brush and just blend this all out. Not picking up any additional product. I'm just taking what's ever on my face and just blending it everywhere just to give it like a more cohesive look. Yes. Okay. Nice. I really like this. I will keep you guys posted. I'll let you know in my beauty roundup how I get on with this. But so far I like this. And I'm going to let you know about all of the new products that I tried today in the beauty roundup, including the lip. So excited. So excited about this. We were on the eyes. How did I get here? I don't know. Okay, let's just curl our lashes. So I have this new mascara, which new mascara always gives me a little bit of anxiety, but this is the Ciate London Triple Shot XXL mascara. Ooh, I love me a wand like this. Oh, and I like that there's not like a ton of product on this wand. All right, ladies, let's apply it. Ladies and gents. Oh my God. That, so far, is a great mascara. Wow, that's a great mascara. Makiage Icon Mascara. And I'm going to put this on the lower lashes, and then I'm going to kind of like group them together. Let's move on to something else, because I have more, believe it or not. This is the Ciate London Dewy Stix. This is just like a gloss. You see that? Let's see. I'm going to work off of the back of my hand and pat it on the highest points of my cheeks. Oh, yeah. Okay, I'm patting really, really gently again because we don't want to move any of the layers of makeup underneath. It gives a really subtle sheen. This is before, which is pretty sheeny. That's pretty shiny. And this is after. So it definitely gives a glow. Put a little bit between. I put like the easiest bit on that Cupid's bow. Then I'm going to clean off that finger to make sure I don't transfer any of the lipstick onto the chin. I definitely want to try this on a no makeup day, and I will let you guys know how I get on with this. I think I want the brows to be a little bit less. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a tinted brow gel that is lighter than the shade of my brows. Soft brownie brows. So this is kind of like a light brown. Start in the middle of my brow, work my way to the tail, and just brush this product into the brows. So this is going to tame the brow, make it a little bit lighter, but it's also going to help keep those hairs in place. Port-a Princess. Why not? I don't think we've used this shade yet. On a little floofy brush. I'll put that in the inner corner of my eye. See how much light is in that inner corner now? Set it and forget it. I'm going to use my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk eyeliner. And I just want to put this in the waterline because I feel like it's going to bring the browns of the eye and the red of the lip together because this is kind of like a brownish, reddish, like aubergine look. And I'm not bringing it into the inner corner. I'm literally just keeping it to the waterline. So I'm stopping it right there. And it does like a really subtle thing, but I just think it kind of ties the two together. Do you see what I'm saying? Yes, no, maybe so. I went and got dressed. I felt like this top really spoke to my makeup today. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then give it a thumbs up. Leave me some love in the comments. What do we think about this lip? I feel like she's the bold with the bold lip, but that's just my own personal thought. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. Also, if you're not yet subscribed, make sure that you subscribe and ring the bell before you leave. I would love to have you here on my channel. I really hope you guys enjoyed this one. I had a great time as always, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye, Finders. Mwah.